This meeting is being recorded.
Myself, Bharatratna Gaikwad. Today I am presenting a topic as a technical application area of artificial intelligence. What is an AI? The branch of science and technology that devoted the creation of machine computer system, robots, etc. that learn, think as an intelligence as a human being is known as artificial intelligence or it's called as a AI. So human being is having thinking about whatever previous knowledge on the basis of thinking and then work there. So in a same knowledge given to the computer system or robots or electronic device, so automatically work for that as automations, robotics, virtual assistants, software, and self-driving cars. Japan is already working for that. They without any driver, they move the cars, and Tesla is another that given another technology is also work for the self-driving cars. What is an AI? A simulation of human intelligence processed by computer system, characteristics of the human behavior. That is understanding, reasoning, learning, solving problem, effective communication. Science and engineering to making the intelligence machines, especially intelligence computer programs. Application of AI in daily lives. So many times in healthcare, we can use their agriculture field also using that. Retailing concept is using productivity of works and personal life. These are the application today's are artificially is using in daily routine lives. How AI system is works. By analyzing the data and learning from the patterns, by using algorithms step by step instruction to learn from the data and make and decisions. Whenever what is mean by algorithm is not nothing but whatever we provide the step by instruction, and on the basis of given instruction your system can be understand, analysis and take the decisions. The more data they are given and more pattern they are learn, and the better they become and making the decisions and performing the task. Why the sudden boom in AI system from the last 1 decades? Yeah, technology is a very boom markets in IT industries. The peoples are very doing the innovative works. Significant improvement in computer powers and data storage capability, the growth of the internet, social media, and other digital technology as lead accumulations of vast amount of data which can analyze, use, or train AI models. Advance in AI research, that is a deep learning. Advance in neural network processing system, that is called as an NLP. The ability of AI to understand and interpret human languages. When when we can use natural language processing, that is NLP, is most of the technology NLP is used. Technical application area of AI, image processing. Image processing with help of the we can input the data, then we can process the data, then a segmentation is there and processing there, then we can use all the techniques in image processing. Sentiment analysis, the emotion recognition, that is we can use also the AI. Natural language processing, video processing. And today's many is AI technology using the video editing, video reels people are making there, and also speech recognition AI also use, and internet things IoT. So today we can use the many appliances. We just give the instruction through the voice. They we have to set the times and date on the basis your appliance to be work there. We have to go to the going for the your office and you forget the switch off your AC. So with help of the IoT technology, we have to work whatever we sitting in our working places, and we have to operate it appliance in our homes. So that is a very great work in with using the AI systems. Major area fields of AI. Machine learning, how the computer's agent can improve their perception, knowledge, thinking, or action based on experience data. Whenever data we can provide there, and on the basis of electronic system can we understand, on the basis take the decision. Robotics put the artificial intelligence into practice using the machine that perceive and interact with an physical world. Computer vision can understand the image and videos. Computer visions are most of the use for the your some accidents happen is there. So we detect the your number plate is, so that case also the computer visions are using. Natural language processing understand the written and spoken languages, automatic translation of the text from the one language to another, or understand text and produce the knowledge about the world with help of natural language processing. Previously when go to the outside the countries or maybe the outside the state, so that is the biggest issue, but that we have to communicate it. People of the south people is there having to know the Telugu languages, and we are belong to Maharashtrian people. So when we reach to the in Andhra Pradesh, and we have to buy something, some product is then that people don't understand in is Hindi language and Marathi language. So with help of the many application, many app is available through this automatically translated into Telugu, and Telugu is converted Hindi or Marathi. So easy way we can communicate that people in outside the states. So we can easily win work. That is uh, your text procedures produce knowledge about the words. Expert system learn, intimate the human beings and decision making the abilities. Generative AI. It is a type of artificial intelligence focused on the creating, generating new content. It is a subset of the machine learning, drawing from the techniques like the deep learning, reinforcement learning. To generate the output can be include the text, image, music, and videos, and more. So generating the AI is use cases is use marketing, sales, support, general writings, note taking, others, code generation, code document, text to SQL, that is a structured query language, web applications, builders when we can design any site is there. So web applications are using image generations, consuming socials, medias, advertising, design, voice system is there. And whenever we can see the text for the these are the table is there, and when the code is there, code generation, code document, text to SQLs, and web application. When concerned the image processing, that is image concern, that is the image generation, consume the socials, uh, the media advertising, design, voice synthesis, that is belong to in a speech system, videos when video editing, generating, 3D modeling scenes, that is a 3D, gaming, RPM, music, audios, and biological and chemistry, that is an others. Major area of generative AIs, that is retail, healthcare, financial, banking, educations, and supply chain management. So everywhere today is having the using the AI, that is artificial, that means there is no field is remaining or left there. So AI is not using there. So previously it's a chat GPT is a good example of the AI system is there. Through the chat GPT, any up means you make a book, his own book is there. So on the basis you write the research paper there with help of the chat GPT you can make it. So it is easy way we can possible. So there is a very less effort is required, and we can make a your research paper is there. Chat GPT is the best example of an AI. You anything see where you writing the question, but whatever the question is, you can passing there. So on the basis you are making in the chat GPT, you make videos, you make if you want to make just you make lectures on your any topic is just you provide to the proper questions, and you generate your PDF file, you generate the word file is there, and power presentation also we have to use within chat GPT. Conversion of AI. A type of the AI can be simulate a human convergence happens through a natural language processing, a field of AI that allows the computer to understand the process human language, synthetic brain power that making the machine capable of understanding the processing and responding to human language is there. Very important. This thing is there. When we can use with brain power is you're born then, so that a many data input by your mothers, and after that is composing his languages. So when baby from the 1 years 2 years, many input data in his mind, so and on the basis he having the process there means the lot of questions asking the in his mother to his child. So lot of just data can be sent it, and after processing, after the 5 years and 6 year, the child of the baby is speaking any language, speaking Marathi, that all the data take from his mother. He baby will be speaking Hindi, so whatever the data in his mother talking Hindi language, so automatically that baby is speaking in Hindi. So this is way using the human being. Same thing is there. If you want to learn the your machine, and just you put the data is there on the basis of your pattern recognition system is another concept is there. On the basis of they can process the data by system, and your computer system can be work on the basis of what data is inside, and after processing, and then your system will be take the decision. So conversionals, that is a ER system. So this is a user's query. Then it's a deep learning, that is natural language, that is the NLP. So whatever the code is having in the, we can use the NLP, then a deep learning, machine learning, and sure your reminder has been to be for the your tomorrow. So these are the boot reply for that. When we can use the whatever the query is there. So NLP having the process on that, and deep learning, that is the text on that concept, and after machine learning concept is used, and the boot reply for that. So type of the conversion. So AI chatbots is there, then voice bots is there, interactive voice assistant is there. When the smart TV is available in today, if you want to give the searching in the YouTube channel, just you can give the voice through the your remote, is automatically that song is there. Anything you can use. You want to just start your new channel, so you can use your interactive voice assistant. Yeah, in education, use the computer in education, that is primary aim towards increase in accessibility learning resource can access from the anywhere at a time, facilitating personalized learning inside and outside the classroom. Learning can be tailors and adapting the each student goal ability through a personalized program, that is timing consuming tedious tasks such as record keep the grading multiple choice tests and complete through the AI automations, and exploring the fundamental question about how the peoples are learn there is today is also mostly used in education system. AI is using personalized learning, tailored learning and experience unique need to preference a piece applied to each learner, analyze the data about an individual learner. AI can provide the insight in the areas in strength of the weakness, identified learning styles, providing the customized recommendation for the contain resource and activity, learns to a more engaging, relevant, effective learning experience, bridge of the skills gap that existing between the different learner. Adapting learning. AI algorithm observe that you to detect how can prefer to learn individuals as or code codes. Goal is creating entire learning of the journey flow that adjusts to each learner based on their interest, learning preference, need to skills, and what you learn there. When anything is means human, we take the anything new thing is adapting difficult for the, but electronic machine just you give the data, anything is there, analysis there, and your electron machine can adapt there. Universal access, that is real time text to speech, speech to text, and conversion. Good example, we can see the real time text to speech. When you using the WhatsApp in when you the some messages in your any language is there, so whenever the entire world is whatever language is there, you select there and you speak something is automatically text is automatically visualizing your in a WhatsApp. If you want to type any letter is there, just you say the voice, automatically text is printed on your that word. So easily you can write the draft easily, anything so you want to send the message within a fraction of second you can use it. If you don't know to know about and typing with the Marathi, and with help of text to speech in Marathi, just you select from the your in a WhatsApp or maybe the anywhere you want to select it, automatically when you speak any word is automatically convert text to speech is that may be the your Marathi, Hindi, English automatic convert there. Text to text and speech to speech conversion from one language to another. We make the classroom accessibility. People speak different language. Those having the visuals and learning empowerments. So with help of the AI technology, my intention about that when in computer technology, AI is using, and today means if you read anything is there, you have to summarize anything is there. Just you type the in chat GPT is automatically you get anything is there. If you learn the any programming language, just you most of the time the people are using the chat GPT. Previously, when you give the question to Google, but at this time the question is asking to the your chat GPT. From the policy making perspective, potential application categories of AI in education, that is education management, delivery, learning and assessment, empowering teachers, enhanced teaching, and lifelong learning is there. When we have to pass the policy making in perspective on related education bills, and we have to use your AI technology there. That education management and delivery, education management delivery, that is a visual dashboard used to inform the data and deliver decisions making. Learning and assistant, broad aim to provide every learners whenever they have they are area in the world with access to a high quality personalized and ubiquitous lifelong learning is there. So with help of your AI technology, we have to learning assessment. Other category AI based system for the learning assessment, dialogue based and tutoring system, that is NLP, exploratory learning environments, automated writing evaluation, yeah, support reading and language to learn, that is smart robots, education virtuals, argument, and reality. So this is why we have finished your AI technicals application. Your is in computer technology. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.